So how's your day going?
Hey?
Just answer the question, kōrero.
Oh, sorry. Oh, very well, thank you, darling.
Oh, I see you've got some greys coming in. Would you like me to take care of that for you?
No, this is dumb.
Look, every client is different, and what I'm getting from you is that you're not a fan of small talk, correct?
Tika.
Have you had your prostate checked lately?
Hey? Do you even know what that is?
No idea. I just saw on the news that 4,000 men a year are diagnosed with prostate cancer in this country, and over 700 die.
I am not going to die.
No, you will. Māori men have a higher death rate than others, mostly because they leave it too late. You should go to the doctor.
Nope.
Why? Are you scared?
I'm not scared. Yeah. But what if they find something wrong with me?
That could possibly be the dumbest thing I've ever heard you say, and that is saying something. When was the last time you went to the doctor?
I'm not sure. I'll just consult my diary.
Don't be whakahihi, kōrero. This is serious.
Okay. I'll go and get my prostate checked.
It's prostate, Dad.
What do they do anyway?
Well, the doctor puts his finger up your nono to see what's going on up there.
Yeah, right. Yeah, no, good. Fingers up nonos. Great. You fellas. No, I'll go tomorrow.